Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is actually about my hair care routine, because there's a lot of people who have been asking me to do a video on my hair care routine. Because if you see, I do a lot of coloring and experimentation with my hair, so it becomes really difficult to manage them if you don't take care of them properly. Especially now when I have bleached my hair, they definitely would lose their moisture. They would become very frizzy and dry if we don't take care of them properly. So here is going to be my hair care routine, which is absolutely simple, and I do it weekly, like every Saturday. And my hair are good to go. They look quite silky, they look quite soft and manageable over everything else. So if you want to see how I take care of my hair, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So these are the ingredients that we would need. We have coconut oil here, almond oil, one hair serum which is also a heat protectant, and vitamin E capsules. Along with this, I'm using this tool to have a little massage and warm water with me. These are all the things that's going to help, and I'm starting with the base, that's coconut oil. I'm taking a generous amount of it and I'm going to mix almond oil into it. This is going to help with my dandruff problem and also going to give a very nice moisture to my hair. I just trust this Rogan Badam Shireen. This is the pure form of almond oil that I get for hair, and I mix that into my coconut oil. Along with that, I'm going to take this vitamin E capsules. They have vitamin E oil in them, which also adds moisture to my hair. So this just works wonder for my hair. Ever since I've started using them, they have definitely changed my hair. So I'm going to mix this into my oil, and then I'm going to nicely mix them into each other like this, as you see here. And yeah, now I want my oil to be a little warm, but I don't want to heat them, because I heat my oil, the advantages that I'm going to get are going to get reduced. So I put it into warm water, so that way my oil is warmer for longer. And now we're going to start with oiling process. So you see my hair, this is how they look right now. They are fine, they are not extremely dry, but first I'm going to start with a hair serum, this which I said is also a heat protectant. I'm going to nicely apply it across the ends, because ends of my hair are very dry, because there's bleaching that has happened here, which obviously rips off all the moisture and goodness from your hair. So I'm going to apply that serum nicely all over the ends first, and then gently go upwards, so that way I don't have too much product up, but most of it is concentrated down and whatever is left is up. So I run my fingers through my hair, that way it spreads evenly all over my hair. And then obviously I'm going to take my oil, I'm going to start making sections in my hair and apply oil with my fingers. I just like applying it with my fingers. The warm water gives the oil just the right texture, so that it is neither too hot nor cold. So the oil is nicely absorbed into your scalp, but at the same time all the nutrition that is there in the oil does not get burned out when you directly heat. If you heat it directly over fire, the nutrition is going to burn out and you're not going to get all the advantages that is needed. So I would always suggest that use a warm water instead. That way your oil stays warm throughout when you're massaging it, when you're applying it, and also gives you the best benefits possible. So like this, I'm going to nicely apply it all over my hair and then gently start massaging it. When you're massaging your hair, go very gentle with it. And then whatever oil is left, I'm again going to take it on my palm, warm it up a little bit and apply it all over the ends of my hair, because that needs most amount of moisture, that are most damaged. And now this tool I'm going to take and apply all over my head. This gives such a nice massage to your head. It gives very relaxed feeling when I use this tool to massage my head. So it is very affordable and you'll find it easily anywhere in your local market. So you can go ahead and buy this, because this is something that's worth trying. If you don't use this, you're missing on something in life. And then I'm going to comb my hair nicely, so that it is tangle free, and when I take bath my hairs are not tangled. And yeah, and now I'm going to just put a shower cap and let it rest for around an hour or two. I generally do this at night and sleep with it, and next day morning I take my bath. But if you want, you can do it in daytime, let it stay for an hour or two, and it would just do the same. And here I am next day after washing my hair, and I am just detangling them with my wooden comb, and I'm going to use this spray by Wella. It is very effective when it comes to voluminous bouncy hair, because this is very targeted. So wherever you apply it, you're going to get a nice volume in that region. So it's very targeted. That's the best part. You can apply it exactly in the region where you want the volume. For me, it's my crown region and my forehead region, where it lacks a little hair density. So this works perfect for me. You don't have to do anything, and also it does not leave any residue behind. Like, you can just apply it like that, comb it through, and then dry it with a hair dryer or something, and it should just work fine. But before blow drying my hair, I am applying this heat protectant serum by L'Oreal, and this is going to help make sure that my hair does not get damaged due to heat that I'm going to apply next. So I nicely apply it on the ends of my hair and then go gently upwards to make sure it is thoroughly spread throughout my hair and gives me the absolute protection I need. And then I am taking my blow dryer and I am nicely blow drying my hair. And when I am doing it, I'm making sure that I'm doing it downwards, because when you blow dry your hair downwards, it just has less frizziness. But if you do it other way around, you'll see a lot of frizz in your hair. Now if you see, my hair have dried really well, and all the product has just disappeared without any residue, but still it gives me that volume on the front section of my hair. And now proceeding forward, I am just going to straighten them. I'm not actually going to completely straighten them because I don't like the look of complete straight hair. I just like it sorted and managed, for which I am going to go over with my straightener 1 to 2 times so that there's no frizz again, and it just settles down nicely throughout the week. And now throughout the week, I don't have to apply any heat or anything further. This just works great for me. So I'm doing that, and right now I'm putting you in the time lapse, and enjoy. So this is how my hair look, and I love them. And guys, that's how my hair care routine works. You can see the results are amazing. So you should go ahead and take care of your hair as we do for our skin and our body and everything else. Our hair are equally important. So it's important that we take care of them, right? Because they are a part of your personality. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And kindly do not forget to subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Until then, take care. Tada!